Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to new adventure. We are going to Santa Fe, Bantayan Island. We will be staying one of the beach resort in there, and just to relax from a very busy schedule back home, just to unwind a little bit. So to reach our destination, the Bantayan Island beach, we have to ride a boat. Then from there we have to ride a tricycle. As they say, beautiful things are hard to get, so you need to work hard for it. So here it is. Just relax and enjoy the view. After arriving to the Kota Beach resort where we are staying, we wasted no time and we immediately go to the land tour that we arranged. The land tour cost 1,200 pesos. That is already for the entire tricycle, and the tricycle can fit 6 people. The land tour includes 5 beach hopping, and one of the beach that we went to is the Lagoon Beach. As you can see over here, I would really recommend this place because it is not, aside from it is nice and beautiful, the water is crystal clear. You can even see the fishes in the water, and they also offer lots of fun activities for the families, and also most importantly, the staff are friendly. So if you plan to go to the Philippines for a vacation, make this one of your bucket list. You will never regret it. Another tourist destination that we visited while we are in the Bantayan Island is the stunning Mangrove Eco Park. This eco-friendly attraction is a must-visit for nature lovers and those seeking a unique, eco-conscious experience. Mangrove Eco Park is nestled in the heart of Bantayan Island, known for its pristine beaches and vibrant marine life. The park is a home to a diverse range of mangrove species, providing a vital habitat for various marine animals. One of the park's highlights is the Mangrove Boardwalk, which takes you to a serene journey through the mangrove forest. You will be able to observe the fascinating ecosystem up close and learn about the importance of mangroves in the local environment. The park also offers a range of eco-friendly activities such as kayaking, birdwatching, and nature walks. You can even rent a bamboo hut for a unique eco-friendly accommodation experience. Another highlight while you are in the Mangrove Eco Park was seeing the famous Camp Sawi and Camp Wagi signages. These spots are perfect for photos and add a unique charm to the garden. So, if you're planning a trip to Bantayan Island, make sure to include the Mangrove Eco Park in your itinerary. It's a truly unforgettable experience that will leave you with a deep appreciation for the beauty and importance of our natural world. The other place that we visited while in Santa Fe, Bantayan Island is called the Ruins. At first glance, when you get in the site, at first glance, you would think what is shocking or importance of this particular ruins, since you will see these ruins anywhere else, like with graffiti and such. And I'm also hesitant to get out of the tricycle while we're in, so I started asking the locals, so what's the story behind of this particular ruins, why it is important and become the tourist spot of Bantayan Island. So typically, when you hear of ruins in the Philippines, you think of the remnants of 16th century Spanish colonization, but the ruins of Bantayan Island are actually just the remains of a German expat's house which was destroyed by the typhoon Yolanda in 2013. The ruins in Bantayan Island, also known as the German ruins, was originally a grand mansion built by a wealthy sugar baron named Don Mariano Ledesma Laxa. It was constructed in the early 1900s as a symbol of love for his Portuguese wife, Maria Braga. For more information regarding this, you can just go ahead and Google it. You can find lots of information this in Google. But yeah, at first glance, you say, you will not be impressed, but once you hear the story surrounding it from the locals, you will be amazed, like me.